Everyone, this is my room here at Northeastern. Destination unknown, I left my job, my boats, my car, and my home. I'm leaving for a destination I still don't know. Somewhere nobody must have beauty at all. And if you like this, you can follow me. So let's go. Follow me. And let's go to the place where we belong and leave our troubles at home. Come with me. We can go to the paradise of love and joy, a destination unknown. Alright, so now that you've seen some of the system in action, I'm going to take you around a tour of the components that are making this happen. So, at the heart of the system right here is the Panasonic PT-AX200U high-def projector. And that's throwing this lovely image on my window shade that is so huge I haven't even had a chance to measure it. I want to say it's 100 inches, but I really don't know. As the heart of the system, then this is most definitely the brain. This is what I use for most high-def playback. It's a PlayStation 3. And let me tell you, this thing is built for HD. It doesn't stutter or drop frames or anything. It's awesome. Also up here we have game consoles. We have the original Xbox, which is actually decked out with a bunch of blue LEDs. And we have a Wii. I don't know if you saw earlier, but there are two Wiimotes sitting up here in a charging dock next to the projector. And this is all the stuff that's on the component input for the projector. The way we flip through them is this lovely system selector, which I don't know if you can see this screen, but every time I push the select button it swaps to an input. So I have the Wii, the Xbox, and the PS3 that I can switch to on this thing. We also have, if I cycle through the inputs here on the projector, sitting in the corner of the room, we're also using this white MacBook. And the nice thing about that is, a couple of things actually. First of all, it has a nice iTV hybrid dongle attached to it, which allows us to not only watch live TV.
So helpful. Don't take it out on the Todd. He was just giving me a compliment. Thank you, Todd.
Hey, happy to say.
But also, since we have a hard drive, we can actually pause live television. And of course, we have a nice guide that we can flip through that downloads from the internet what's going on in all the channels. So the MacBook in this scenario is basically the tuner and the TiVo. Another nice piece of functionality that we have is this is actually the control panel for the audio routing and processing hardware that we're using in the system. So you'll notice here we have software returns, and that is from software running on the MacBook out to the speakers. And we also have hardware inputs. So you'll see I have the PS3 on some hardware inputs here. And if I play some media on the PS3, you'll see those bars bouncing. And then if I pause the PS3, that'll go away. And if I flip back over to the TV and unpause it, flip over here, you'll see that I'm playing through the software outputs. And that is heading out to the system through this lovely little box in the corner. This is an M-Audio Fast Track Ultra. And it is driving these two KRK RP5 monitor speakers. One of them's up on the shelf, and then across the room on a monitor stand is the other one. So that's my room. I hope if you guys are in the area you come visit, but otherwise I'm glad you took a look at it. Thanks. Destination unknown.